Okay, this is how I paint the interior of a pochette, and I've also done it to the sack plat. I remove the sticky that's in there, and once it's dry, I mix fabric paint medium with a choice of cream paint, acrylic. And for this one, the directions say 2 to 1, so 2 parts paint to 1 part medium. And once it's mixed up, and actually sometimes I water it down because I'll have to put a couple coats on. Once it's mixed up, I just get a paintbrush and I just start painting. I mean, little dab here, little dab there. You don't have to worry about streaks or anything. And in between coats, I let it dry. I prop a Q-tip in between and let it dry. Maybe put a coat on another hour later, and maybe 2 or 3. But let me put 1 coat on real quick. Okay, here it is all done with the first coat, and I might not need another coat after this. Oh, there's some I could probably touch up over there. But I just let it dry a little bit so it doesn't start to bead up on me. And remember, when you do remove the sticky, you lose your date code, but that's not important to me. If it's important to you, you won't be able to use your pochette. I know it's authentic, and really it doesn't matter. It's still pretty, and it's usable, and it still will last forever. So you let it dry, do another coat, touch up any spilt or paint mistakes with some rubbing alcohol. Yep, right on the canvas. It doesn't seem to do much to it at all. It's not like I'm soaking it. And that is it, my friends.